Hey traders, Michael from Elite Traders University here. Now I've just gone short on pound dollar, and as you can see we're up a few pips already, about 6 pips on about 3 or 4 positions, and I'm actually believing for quite a big push down tonight. So there's a possibility that we pop up in the open and see a new high and then make our way lower. Or we actually just go straight down from here and there's just a sell-off. So I'm short already, and if we get a pop higher I will actually look to add to my short positions and ride this lower. As you can see, we do have quite a strong uptrend, but I believe we've actually come to the end of that, and we're actually going to go down now. So I'm short already. Let's see what happens, and it will come back when we start taking out profit. So as we're looking at the pound dollar, we can actually see that we've been consolidating for quite a while, and we've had a breakout above the high today, and you can see quite clearly we have this very defined consolidation, and that can mean a number of things. It could mean that we're going higher, or it just could mean that prices come to the end, but we have made a breakout above the top. As you can see, we've broke the previous high, and I actually believe this is a false move, and so I've been selling. As you can see, number of sell positions up here, which were up about 5%, and then I've sold just down here. And if we get a push higher tonight into London, then I'll be looking for a sell again. I do believe we are going to see a pullback. Now the other alternative is that price just slowly falls off a cliff today. So either way, I'm looking for a reversal from this level. I'm short already, and if we do make a break higher, I'll be looking to go short and ride this thing down. So let's come back with London Open, see what sort of reaction we get. As you can see, we do have strong bullish momentum, but I believe this is actually false momentum, and I believe that we're actually going to turn around right from within this region. So I would say from within this box here, I would say we look to turn around and actually reverse. So let's see what happens. We'll come back in a few hours and we'll see how this analysis plays out for us. Okay, so we're up a number of positions already, a number of pips at least, and we've got a couple of break even that I just entered just now at about 0.03 pips. So we're up quite a lot, and I'm quite confident that this is going to roll over today. So I'm just going to keep them short, and I think we're going to win a good stash of pips. Okay, so we're up. I'm going to take out these first 3 positions at plus 20, so that'll be plus 60. I'll just wait for us. Hopefully we get down another pip, and then we'll let the other positions run. So we're up about 100 pips so far, but yeah, I just want to wait until this crosses down. We might wait a few more minutes. Let's see a push down. In fact, I'm just gonna take these first 3 out. Okay, and I'm just gonna let the other positions run now. So we're up 30, 40, about 50, 51 pips, and we'll let these last 5 positions run. Okay, so there's a good strong push down again. We're now up on these other pips. I'm just going to take out 2 more here. So another 30 pips in the bank, and I'm actually going to move the last remaining stops up just to above the high here. And we have 3 more positions, and they're going to run hopefully all the way to the bottom. So it's about 130 pips from here. We've now locked up some really good pips already for the day. So as you can see, this is just from today. There's our deal map. So it is looking really good so far. And 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 85 or so pips on those first 5 lots, and then we have 3 remaining lots open, which we're going to look for a move down to the lows. So okay, now all we can do is just let this trade run out. Like I said before, if we do get a push to the high on the open of London in about an hour, I will look to short again and add to my position. Watch this thing roll over. Okay, so wow, there's our result, guys, straight down. And here's my deal map. So what happened was I took out my first position at plus 17, as you can see, and plus 15. And as price came back up, as you can see, it reversed back up. You can see right there, I shorted again, and we took out a plus 13, a plus 21, a plus 27, and then we took these two positions out at plus 37 and plus 36. Now we still have one remaining position open, which is currently up plus 37, and we're looking for 120 pips at the bottom of the range for this last position. So awesome morning trading, as you can see. We're pulling away. Now you remember earlier I said that price was probably just going to go straight down, and that's exactly what happened. So let's have a look at our history, and let's see what we've managed to accomplish today. So we're up about 230 pips closed profit. That's in about 2 hours. So we entered just before London Open, and we're up 230 pips. That's closed, it's realized, and then one remaining position open, which is currently up 44 pips, and there it is there. So yeah, amazing start to the day, and hopefully we can squeeze another 100 plus pips out of this last stop, this last position, and my stop for that is just above the high. And even if we do come out and get stopped out, we'll still be up 200 pips on the day. So this is the only way to trade, guys. It's to scalp your way into a swing trade. Now the reason I loaded up with so many positions was simply because of the high probability of this setup, which involves a number of things. And once you can learn to trade with the bank, then you do have a really high probability for your trades, and you know exactly what direction they're going to take the market in. And in this case, they're going to be taking the market down for the rest of the week. So I believe that for the rest of the week, we are going to get a push down to these lows around the 1.4100 level at minimum, and possibly even down here. Now, a thing to take note of is that the equity markets are beginning to roll over. Because of that, all the risk currencies are looking to be bearish, possibly in the next couple of weeks. This will pose well for our pound position, pushing it down even lower. So there it is, guys. Awesome trade. Very happy with that. And again, if we look at the entries, you can see that we have 0 drawdown on these trades here. The trades go immediately into profit. This one was a drawdown about 5 pips or so. And this is the best way to trade. So if you're interested, then like the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you'd like to talk with me about the courses that we offer at the university, and if you'd like to learn how to trade like this and how to analyze the market professionally, then click the link below. You can arrange a call with me, and we can talk about your trading journey and where you'd like to go. Alright guys, have an amazing week, and I'll catch you in the next video.